Welcome back to another lesson in Life in the UK, topic A Modern Thriving Society. For which two types of literature is William Shakespeare famous? Plays and sonnets, biographies and sonnets, novels and biographies, novels and plays. William Shakespeare was a famous playwright and sonnet writer. Plays and sonnets. Is the statement below true or false? The Lake District is England's largest national park. The Lake District is England's largest national park. It covers 885 square miles, 2,992 square kilometers. True. Which of the following statements is correct? Most shops in the UK open 7 days a week. All shops in the UK close on Sundays. Most shops in the UK open 7 days a week, although trading hours on Sundays and public holidays are generally reduced. Most shops in the UK open 7 days a week. Who first built the Tower of London? Oliver Cromwell, Queen Elizabeth II, William the Conqueror, Winston Churchill. The Tower of London was first built by William the Conqueror after he became king in 1066. William the Conqueror. What are Beowulf, the Tiger, and She Walks in Beauty? Plays, films, poems, novels. Beowulf is an Anglo-Saxon poem. The Tiger is a poem by William Blake. And She Walks in Beauty is a poem by Lord Byron. Poems. Which of the following UK landmarks is in Northern Ireland? Big Ben, Snowdonia, the Giant's Causeway, the Eden Project. Located on the northeast coast of Northern Ireland, the Giant's Causeway is a land formation of columns made from volcanic lava. The Giant's Causeway. Is the statement below true or false? The flower that is particularly associated with England is the rose. The countries that make up the UK all have flowers which are particularly associated with them and which are sometimes worn on National Saints' Days. In England, the flower is the rose. True. Which two commemorations or celebrations are held in November each year? Remembrance Day and Bonfire Night, Father's Day and Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day and Remembrance Day, Valentine's Day and Bonfire Night. Bonfire Night, 5th November, is an occasion when people in Great Britain set off fireworks at home or in special displays. Remembrance Day, 11th November, commemorates those who died fighting in the UK and its allies. Remembrance Day and Bonfire Night. Which two are famous British authors? Mary Quant and Henry Moore, Thomas Hardy and Graham Greene, Thomas Hardy and Henry Moore, Graham Greene and Henry Moore. Thomas Hardy's best known novels include Far From the Madding Crowd and Jude the Obscure. Graham Greene's novels include The Heart of the Matter, The Honorary Consul, Brighton Rock and Our Man in Havana. Thomas Hardy and Graham Greene. Which two of the following plants are particularly associated with the UK? Shamrock and rose, cactus and olive tree, rose and cactus, shamrock and cactus. The countries that make up the UK all have flowers which are particularly associated with them and which are sometimes worn on National Saints' Days. In England, the flower is the rose. In Northern Ireland, it is the shamrock. Shamrock and rose. Well done, 100% correct.